a few minutes earlier, the other big theme of today has slumped below $60 a barrel, and this is after the OPEC and allies have decided to further increase production from the month of June after already having approved an increase in output for the month of May. So Brent is exactly at $60, currently recovering some of the lost ground from early morning, and NYMEX is currently trading around 57 a barrel. But Sudarshan is here to tell us the impact that it could have on India's listed companies. Sudarshan.
So we are seeing a big move in crude sensitive names, while upstream companies like ONGC and Oil India are lower in trade. But there is a big move that we are seeing in downstream companies of, or say, oil marketing companies of IOC, BPCL and HPCL, and even other crude sensitives like paint companies, even Asian Paints, Berger Paints, or say airline companies, Indigo. All the stocks are higher in trade and trading with healthy volumes. So it's on the back of, first, crude has slipped today. In the intraday, you saw crude falling below $59 per barrel, almost at the levels that we saw last in 2021. Now, why did we see a sharp fall in crude? It's on the back of OPEC Plus, which is led by Saudi Arabia and Russia, has decided to increase the production, and this increase announcement has been higher than expectations. They have decided to increase the production by 4.11 lakh barrels per day, and this is for the month of June. Now, on the back of this, why this is negative for ONGC? So basically, once we see a fall of $1 in crude, it impacts annual revenue of these companies like ONGC and Oil India in the range of rupees 300-400 crore. But in contrary, it's positive for downstream companies or say oil marketing companies like IOC, BPCL and HPCL. If there is a fall of $1 in the crude, it impacts positively to their EBITDA in the range of rupees 200 to 300 crore. Now, why this is positive for paint companies? Because for paint companies, up to 50% of their input costs are linked to crude. So if there is a sharp fall, it will have a positive impact on the margin of all the paint company, and that's the reason you are seeing a big move in these names.
Indeed, Sudarshan, thanks a lot for that. An important analysis there on the impact of the fall in crude oil prices. Take a short break. On the other side, legendary investor and Berkshire Hathaway chairman and CEO Warren Buffett will step down from the helm after 6 decades. More takeaways from Berkshire Hathaway's AGM after this short break. Stay tuned.